Hey everyone, I'm Jason with the CWI Media Lab, and I'm going to be showing you just a quick tutorial on how you can edit a short 5-shot sequence using Adobe Premiere Pro. Alright, so once you open up Premiere, this is basically what a new project will look like. And as you can see down here in the bottom left, it says Import Media to start. So you can right click and choose Import and locate your selected footage and click Open. And there we go. All my clips have been imported into Premiere. Now if I double click on one of these clips, it shows up in this sort of preview window, which allows me to play it back before I put it onto my timeline. And down here, this is where our timeline is, and this is where all of these clips and all of our footage is going to eventually end up to form our video. So in order to get these clips onto the timeline, what I can do is come over here and I can click and drag and drop it into the timeline, and there it is right there. And then it shows up in another preview window. This one up here is a preview of everything that's going to be on our timeline, and basically the video in its entirety is what this is. And so as you saw from the playback over here, I had to do a lot of walking in order to sit down and get up from the dock, and I just want the clip of me sitting on the dock. So I'm going to need to trim this because it's pretty long. And so in order to do that, I can come over to either side of the clip and hover, and this sort of red bracket appears, which I can then click and drag to shorten the clip to about right there. And I'll do the same thing on the beginning of the clip, like that, and then I'll click and drag it back to the beginning. And there we go. It's only just me sitting on the dock, and that's what I wanted. Now I'm just going to drag the rest of these clips over, and you'll notice that this clip automatically snaps to the previous clip, which is super helpful. And I'm not going to trim each one of these just for the sake of time. So we'll just get all of these laid out in our timeline. And as you can see, each of these clips has audio attached to them. So if I wanted just the video itself and not the audio, and I go down and click on the audio and try to delete it, it deletes the whole thing, and that's not what I want. So there's a way you can unlink the audio from the video. So let's just click and select all of these, and if you right click and choose unlink, then it unlinks the video from the audio, and from there I can delete the audio, which is pretty nice if you want to add like music to your video. And so the video will go through and it changes each of the scenes, and there we go. We have our 5-shot sequence, and that's basically all there is to importing footage and making a basic video. So have fun.